Everyone, so I've been in love with this Steam Mop for a number of years. I've had it for a long time and it hasn't worn out, and it's done a great job at cleaning up the home. I love this mop because you can use it in so many different ways, not just for mopping up the kitchen, but you can also use it to clean off your grill. You can use it to clean up the shower. You can use it on grout lines. There's so many different applications for this, and it comes with a lot of different attachments. It comes with this wall mount here, and it comes with an attachment holder that just goes right there along the side. It just hooks right in. That way you have all of your supplies right there. The mop fits right in here, like so. And then the mop head would actually fit on the top as well. So it keeps everything nice and compact and neat. I love the fact that you have these tools here. I usually use this one and this one here for cleaning grout lines. If I was to clean the grill, I would use a combination of this one and then also this one over here as well. But the majority of the time I'm using the mop with the standard mop attachment. This is great in the fact that you can release the bottom by pressing on this right here, and this will pop right out. And then you can put whatever attachment head that you want, and then also have this long handle so you can get up into any areas that are up high or any areas that are in kind of like nooks and crannies that you can't really get to easily. To use it on the mop, you would just pop this right back in place, like so. Then you would take the actual mop steamer, pop it in, and then you can choose from two different settings. You can choose for a lighter setting, or you can choose a more of an intensive setting. This one, I believe, is more for the wood surfaces, but you want to be careful with that so you don't warp any wood. For me, I have mostly tile in my home, so I just use the more intense steam aspect. You can also use this to put it on pause to hold it in place. It does take about a minute or two for this to warm up. So you would fill up the water or the distilled water right in here, fill it up to the top, close the lid, plug it in, and then it will start to warm up or heat up. Once it's ready, this will start blinking, and then you can choose the side that you want. Another one of the things I love the most about using the Steam Mop is that the floor dries so much quicker when you're using it. It's quicker to clean and it's more efficient. The mop pads are washable. You can throw them right into the washing machine and dry them that way. I've had them for a long time. I think I bought like another set, maybe a year and a half, 2 years in. But I can't recommend this mop more. Like I said, I've been using this for many, many years. It's reliable. It hasn't broken down. I just treat it with some TLC, clean it off, and take care of it like you normally would any appliance, and it will do right by you. So check it out.